live in a DIY world, and pond maintenance is something many homeowners are doing themselves. When they are successful, they will continue to come back for more products. So let's arm them with the right products and empower them with the knowledge. The Pond Champs line of pond products has everything your customer will need to conquer their pond problems. There are many different problems a pond owner could be dealing with, but these tips will help you categorize those problems and offer the right product solution. Help your customers transform their ponds. Pond Champs pond products fall in 4 categories: pond dye, pond bacteria, pond algicides, and pond weed control. Pond dye is a great preventative maintenance product that every pond owner should be using year-round. There are 3 colors to choose from: blue, black, or turquoise. Apply pond dye by pouring into the pond at a couple of different spots. 1 gallon of our pond dye will treat 1 acre with an average depth of 4 to 6 feet. 1 gallon will last approximately 30 days, depending on outflow, rainfall, and water clarity. Pond bacteria is another important preventative maintenance product that often goes unused. Pond cleaner will help maintain muck and sludge levels on the pond floor. Pond dye and pond bacteria can and should be applied at the same time. The pond dye will act as a visual cue, indicating when you need to reapply. Pond cleaner is applied by pouring 1 gallon of product into a 1-acre pond with an average depth of 4 to 6 feet. Water temperatures should be at least 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Algicides kill algae. There are 2 types of algicides: liquid Algae X and granular copper sulfate. Liquid algicides are most effective when sprayed. Granular copper can be cast, dissolved and sprayed, or drug in a burlap sack behind a boat. You should always treat half to 1/3 of the pond at a time to avoid oxygen depletion. Treating the entire pond will kill too much growth at one time. The rule of thumb: when killing something, always treat half to 1/3 of the pond at a time. Products don't kill fish, people do. This product is meant to be used in large ponds and is safe for all standard game fish like bluegill, bass, and catfish. This product is not to be used in small decorative ponds with koi, goldfish, or trout. Herbicides are used to control weed growth in and around a pond. However, the same herbicide cannot be used for weeds that grow underwater or submerged and weeds that grow up out of the water or emerged. Tsunami DQ is used to control underwater and floating pond weeds like small leaf pondweed, American weed, curly leaf, and duckweed. Tsunami DQ should be applied by spray application. Catplex is also an herbicide, but this product is used for use on weeds that grow up out of the pond or emerged weeds. Examples of emerged weeds are cattails, water lilies, and shoreline grasses. Catplex should be applied by spraying. This product kills to the root, so it works slowly. Browning will occur in 7 days and complete kill in approximately 14 days. Remember our rule: if you are killing something, the best application is a spray application. Manage your customers' expectations. The pond didn't get to this condition overnight. It will take time and a consistent treatment to maintain a beautiful pond. The duration of your customer's pond maintenance program will depend on the water temperatures and seasonality of your region. All pond owners should be using pond dye and pond bacteria as a preventative maintenance step. When they come to you with a problem, categorize the problem and offer the appropriate product. Remember, when your customers are successful, they will continue to come back for more products. For more information, call us at 888-697-2626.